to draw a super easy mermaid scenery in the underwater with oil pastel. Let's get into the video. Draw the mermaid scenery by following my steps with 2B or HB pencil that you can easily erase on some point as your requirement to draw the awesome mermaid scenery. As well as don't forget to comment me below if you try this easy scenery at home. If you feel any kind of difficulty or complication to draw the scenery, the mermaid scenery, don't forget to ask in the comment section what is your problem. I will be always here to solve your problem as your requirement. Our drawing is complete and let's get color. So draw the floor with brown, yellow ochre as well as pale orange, and I like to say these tones of time that don't forget to blend all of the colors that you are using as well as you can. So blending or mix up your colors will make your drawing super marvelous. So don't forget to match all of the colors as well as you can. I'm really so apologize for that. I just forgot to record the watercoloring process, but if you eagerly want to learn the watercoloring process, I will paste the link of my others watercolor drawing where I color some rivers and the lake. I will paste them in the description box, or if you want you can click on the I button to watch them. I'm really so sorry for that. But in this time, I can say that I colored the water with Prussian blue, cobalt blue as well as sky blue, and at the last I applied the usual ninja technique, that is apply the sky blue color so lightly, and after that I used the white and mash it properly as well as I could. So that was the process. Now color time of the mermaid. Color her with rose madder as well as the light pink, and after that just apply a little bit shadow with the red for looking it good. If you love this tutorial, then don't forget to give a thumbs up, please. Draw her upper part of the robes with red, orange as well as lastly mix up with the white color. After that, I use yellow ochre as well as pale orange as her skin tone and mix them well. And then I applied a little bit shadow with the vintage brown. And if you're a new learner in my creation world, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification when I publish my video first. And then I colored her hair with black, vintage brown as well as red. If you have any kind of assessment about my drawing, then don't forget to share it with me in the comment below. As well as if you want to be my friend, my Facebook page link I will put in the comment below. But don't forget to like my page. Our beautiful mermaid drawing is complete, and after that color the stone with purple as well as the lavender and mix it well. Draw the other stone with pink as well as red and orange, and the grass with green as well as the yellow green. Then the cute tiny fish with orange, yellow orange as well as red orange. Then just applied a black outliner and outline the scenery again with the black outliner. And here it is, our beautiful mermaid scenery with the oil pastel is completely complete. Please don't forget to comment me below what kind of content like about drawing tutorial you wanna watch more. The subject comment me below, and the question of the day is what color do you like most? In my case, I like the light pink color most, and don't forget to share yours in the comment below. And if you are new on my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Time to bounce. See you in the next tutorial. Ta-da!